This is insane, guys. I created this entire WordPress Elementor website using Claude AI. And the best part, you can create similar Pinterest, Dribble or Figma inspired WordPress websites in just a few minutes using AI. No more spending countless hours dragging and dropping elements or struggling with design layouts. Simply describe the website you want, ask Claude AI and get a professional looking website generated for you without writing a single line of code. AI is completely changing the way we build WordPress websites. Make sure to watch this complete video and copy my exact workflow. Let's get started. So in order to create a Pinterest inspired WordPress website design, first of all we will need to go to Pinterest. After that you can search any kind of website you want to create for the inspiration. Okay, I am going to create an automotive website, so I am going to search automotive website over here. After that just scroll down and select any website design you like. Okay, after that simply right click on it and simply download the image. Great, and it will be saved on your computer. So this workflow is just not limited to Pinterest. You can follow the same steps and create and download the inspirations from Behance, Dribble or Figma. Okay, so the steps I am going to show using this Claude AI workflow will work fine for all the platforms equally. Okay, and here is a quick disclaimer. This video is for totally educational purposes and I don't recommend to copy someone else's design. Taking inspirations will be fine, I guess. Okay, so use it wisely. Okay, so after taking your inspiration from Pinterest, Dribble, okay, just scroll down and download Figma or Behance. You just need to take the inspirations from these platforms. After taking inspirations, you just need to go to Claude AI. As I already have an image downloaded over here, it's for a car rental website. You can see this is looking pretty nice. Okay, so I'm going to replicate or I'm going to create a website inspired design out of it. So after downloading your image, you need to go to Claude AI and upload your design's inspiration over there. After that, just write a simple prompt that create an amazing looking HTML website using this screenshot. Okay, after that just wait for some time and Claude will create an amazing looking HTML website using Tailwind CSS and JS after analyze this complete image. Okay, you can simply follow and copy my prompts to create the similar kind of workflow I am following right now. Okay, so great, our first prototype is ready, but as I can see it's not using the real images. Also the fonts are not following correctly according to our attached image. Okay, so what I did, I gave another prompt to it that please use the matching images from stock images like pixels and unsplash. Also use better fonts according to the attached image. And now Claude will analyze everything again and it has given us the updated HTML file. Let's open it locally and verify, and look at this, guys. This website is looking insane and we have just created it into few minutes. Check out this car section, why choosers, popular destinations, everything is looking insane, guys. Okay, I'm just loving it, the complete workflow using AI, because now I can save lots of hours in creating my website and I can focus more on what matters most, is improving the client experience. And we can also create better looking websites because we don't need to write the CSS manually. Okay, we just need to tell the AI and it will do all the heavy liftings. Okay, so our HTML website version is ready. Now let's convert it into a WordPress website. So what you will need to do, you just need to ask the Claude that convert the above attached HTML website into a WordPress Elementor JSON template using the additional CSS method. Okay, so it will provide us the additional CSS to paste into WordPress customizer. After that, just attach the HTML file and hit enter, and Claude will start doing all the heavy liftings. Okay, so let's wait for it while it's converting our website, our HTML website, into a fully working, fully editable WordPress website using Elementor. And let's go to our WordPress admin dashboard meanwhile, and let's install few theme and plugins which are important to load the Elementor templates into our WordPress website. Okay, so let's install a theme named Astra, and because it's one of the most popular WordPress theme right now with lots of customization options. Okay, so let me search and install it. After that, let's go to plugin sections. Okay, and install our page builder Elementor, which is one of the most popular page builder for WordPress, and it's for a good reason because you can simply drag and drop elements and create stunning looking WordPress websites out of it. Okay, so let me install it and let's activate, and our plugin has been activated successfully. And check out this, guys, the Claude has finished its work. Okay, so we have our Elementor JSON file over here, we have the additional CSS file over here, and we have the setup guide already. Okay, so you can follow this kind of setup guide provided by Claude if you don't know how to import the JSON templates into WordPress Elementor. Okay, but by the way, I have made everything easier for you, so just follow my workflow. Okay, so let's go to our WordPress admin dashboard again, and here we are. Let's create a new page over here. Let's name it home, and let's publish the page. After that, just simply click on edit with Elementor, and we are ready to import our template now. Let's go to folder templates, and let's click on this upload arrow, and let's click on JSON file and upload our JSON file template over here, and it will be updated in real time. After that, just simply click on insert button and our template should be inserted. Okay, as you can see, guys, the whole website template has been inserted, and we can see it's using the native Elementor blocks so that we can easily edit the website. Okay, but we need to verify the complete website whether it's working or we have any kind of errors. Okay, so let me simply publish it, and let's open into a new tab and check out the website. And look at this, guys. We have some issues with the website. No problem, let's try to fix it. First of all, let's go to customizer and add our additional CSS provided by the Claude. Okay, let's go to additional CSS over here. Okay, and after that, let's go to Claude and click on the CSS file. You can simply download it or just click it and copy it from here, and all the codes for the CSS will be copied, and just paste it here. And check this out, the look has been already improved a lot, and we have got the similar kind of vibe as per our HTML website. Okay, so let's publish it, and now let's refresh the page and check out this. Okay, so it's looking better now, but we have still some issues on the website. For example, we can see this header over here which we don't require, and also this title, we don't need this footer because it's from default WordPress theme. Okay, so let's go to Astra options into page editings, and make sure to make the container to full width, and after that make the sidebar to no sidebar because we don't require the sidebar, and disable the header and footer elements. Okay, after that click on save changes, and let's refresh the page now and verify if everything looking well or not. Okay, so as we can see, the footer is gone, the header is gone, but we can still see the title. No issue, let's hide this from here, and let's save the changes, and now let's refresh the page, and the title should be gone as well. Nice, but we still don't have the exact clone of our website. The HTML website, it has been not successfully imported into our WordPress Elementor template. Okay, so let's go to Claude again, and let's ask it to fix it because we don't have header over here. But before that, I'm opening the same website, the same URL into Opera, and taking a complete snapshot of the website so that I can upload it into the Claude, and it will better understand the command. Okay, so I have pasted a command over here that the imported Elementor template is not looking exactly like our HTML website, and there are some flaws. We have missing images on the hero sections, we don't have header as well. So make sure to go through this screenshot and give me the modified version. Okay, so let's wait for it while Claude's fixing everything for us and give us the updated codes. So our updated Elementor template is ready. Let's download it and let's go to the edit page and edit the page again by clicking on edit with Elementor button. Let's delete everything we already have on our website and let's reinsert the template. Okay, let's upload the template again, and here is our updated file. Let's upload it, and here it is. So let's insert it. And check this out, guys. This time the website comes out nicely. Okay, so we have all the sections over here, the header and the footer and everything else. And let's publish this page and check the website. Let's view the website and check this out. We have all the sections listed over here with the header and footer, but it's not full width. So let's try to fix it. Let's click on this section and after that make it full width. Okay, now this section is looking better, but still we can see some gaps from left and right side. Okay, so as I can see, Claude is using HTML widgets this time. Let's make it full width as well, and after that let's click on this section element and let's update the column gap to no gap. Okay, now it should be fixed, and check this out, guys. Okay, so our section is now looking brilliant with full width. Okay, so we have uneven images over here because it's from online directories stocking websites like Pixels. Okay, so we can put our manual images over here and it will be fixed. Let's follow the same steps for this as well. Let's put it full width, and after that let's put it no gap, and let's publish the website, and it should be working completely fine. Okay, and this is using the HTML widget as well. As I can see, this time the Claude is using Elementor widgets because it thinks that it will work nicely on the website to achieve it on the Elementor. Okay, because the last time we had got the broken images and broken layouts, so this time it has used the HTML widgets to maintain the sure shot that it should work completely fine. Okay, so as I can see, we have got some simple codes over here from the Elementor, and we can simply edit whatever we like with the basic knowledge of HTML programming languages. Okay, so let's try to update this hero section text freedom on every journey to freedom on every long journey over here. So let's type long over here, and it will be updated in real time. Okay, that's great. Now let's update the text in our footer, the copyright text we have. Let's put 2026 over here instead of 2024, and let's check our published website now, and check out this, guys. It has been updated. Okay, so the copyright text and the hero section text has been updated. So that's a great approach, I guess. We are not using the native HTML blocks, of course. Let's make this page to home page. So in order to do that, just go to WordPress settings, and the readings you will be able to update the current page to our home page. Okay, so let's refresh our domain now, and it will be shown our as our home page now. Okay, so that's amazing. Okay, so the menu is fully working. We can change these images manually to make it look more nicer and of the same height as well. Okay, so let me show you one more interesting approach to edit the website. You can copy the HTML block, the HTML element of any section you want to edit, and you can ask the changes you want to make. For example, I am trying to remove the underline styles from the menu items over here. Okay, so I have got the updated codes from the Claude, and let's change the code and check this out. We have removed our the underlining styling elements without doing anything, just asking the Claude, and it's giving me the updated codes. So making the changes are pretty easy over here. Just ask the Claude to make any kind of changes on any sections, because the codes are divided into sections, and we can simply copy and paste into the Claude and get our necessary updates done easily within seconds. Okay, so this is how you can edit the website. For now, if you want to have a tutorial on native Elementor blocks for the WordPress editings, using Claude, then you can let me know in the comments and I will make the complete tutorial on that as well, as I'm already working on it to get this done all by Elementor native elements, so you won't need to edit the HTML codes as well, or copying and pasting everything from Claude. I have already created this kind of video for Gutenberg page builder using Nova Mira and anti-gravity AI. Feel free to check that out as well. Have a wonderful day.